Welcome to Python Project 7, Data Analysis with Pandas and Matplotlib. In this tutorial, you will load the books.csv file from Project 6, clean the messy prices, and turn them into a chart. The data is already yours. Let's make it talk.
3 steps. First, load books.csv into a DataFrame with pandas. Second, clean the text prices into real numbers. Third, visualize the answer with Matplotlib. Everything runs locally. No API keys, no web requests.
Here is our file from Project 6. 20 books, titles, and prices, saved as books.csv. But look at this cell. Pound 5177. Is this a number? Not yet. To Python, it is a string of characters. The pound sign is text. And that is the whole story of this tutorial.
First, install the tools. One command. Pip install pandas, Matplotlib. Watch the terminal. It downloads pandas 3.0.5 and Matplotlib 3.11.1. Successfully installed. 2 libraries, ready in seconds.
Step 1. Load the file. In the shell, import pandas as PD. Then read books.csv into a DataFrame. And print it. 20 books in a neat table. But the price column is stored as text. Pandas 3.0 shows it as dtypes. That means no math yet.
Step 2. Look around. Head shows the first 5 rows. Info reports the columns and types. Both are S2R described, though, is a surprise. It returns count, unique, top, and freak. No mean, no min, no max. Because describe can only summarize numbers, and our prices are text.
And that is the problem. Ask for the average price, pandas refuses. TypeError cannot perform reduction mean with string dpime. Maybe convert to float, value error, could not convert string to float, pound 5177. The pound sign blocks everything, so strip it. Replace the pound with nothing, then convert to float. Ask again, 38.0485, the average price. Finally a number.
Step 4. Ask questions. Which books are under 30 pounds? Filter the DataFrame. 7 books. Which are the most expensive? Sort by price, highest first, and take the top 3. Our band could be your life. Sapiens, tipping the velvet. Numbers make comparisons possible.
Now let's put it all together in one program. Load the file, clean the prices. Print the average, the cheapest, and the most expensive. Then chart the top 5 with Matplotlib. This is the whole analysis, start to finish.
Run it. And there it is. Average price, 38.05. Cheapest, Starving Hearts. Most expensive, Our Band Could Be Your Life. 3 questions, answered in seconds. All local, all free.
Step 6. See the data. Matplotlib opens a figure window with a bar chart. The top 5 most expensive books from 57 pounds down to 52. Numbers become shapes you can read at a glance.
Before you go, 4 errors you will actually hit. Number 1. Module not found error. No module named pandas. Fix it with pip install pandas. Number 2. Type error cannot perform reduction. Mean with string dpime. Clean the text into numbers first. Number 3. Value error could not convert string to float. Strip the pound sign with replace. Number 4. Type error, less than is not supported between a string and an int. That is what happens when you filter before cleaning. Clean the prices into numbers first, then filter. 4 errors, 4 quick fixes.
Here is the whole loop. Load the CSV. Check the dtypes. Clean the text. Analyze with mean, filter, and sort. Visualize with a chart. 5 steps from a file to a chart. And you just did all of them.
Your Python can analyze any CSV now. Next time, let's crawl all 50 pages and analyze 1,000 books with pandas. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy coding!